to the next video. Today in the Renault Zoe we're gonna see how efficient it is. We're gonna look at the consumption at different speeds and gonna take a little tour in the city and see how efficient it is in the city. Okay, what we're gonna do is, I'm driving here on the highway, it's relatively straight, and I'm gonna put in the cruise control different speeds and we're gonna see the real-time consumption. Of course, we're estimating here. This is not scientific or anything, but I'm gonna turn off the heat. We're gonna see around what number we're getting, because it's important for you to know that the speed has a big impact on the consumption. You can see how much the heat takes. 2 kilowatt. Have the heat on full. Right here. Going 60, heat is off, 0 degrees. Doesn't take a lot to do that. 3 kilowatt. Here we go. 7, 8, 9. Now we're doing 80 at 10, 9, 10. Let's go 100. Beats up strong. And no eco mode, by the way. That's crap, nobody needs it. Going 100. That looks pretty straight now. That looks good. We have 20, 21. Yeah, that's good. That's 23, 24. 25. Let's do it. Yeah, that looks good. Looks straight. I think that's the consumption for 130. 30 kilowatt. That's a lot of power. 36, 35. Pretty straight. Perfect. Okay, it's city consumption test time. We'll go into the city of Passau and then start at a certain spot, drive for a bit, 20 minutes, and then see how high the consumption is in the city. The city is all straight. The top speed allowed on a few spots is 70 kilometers an hour. Normally it's 50, so most of the time. Okay, so we're getting close to the point where we started. The fastest speed I was going was 74. I had to wait at a lot of traffic lights. It was a distance of 8 kilometers. That's not a lot. We had an average speed of 26, almost 27 now, and we had an average consumption of 12.2 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. In the city, without heat, without lights, without sound system, everything is off.